Hello and welcome to this new video on how to remove Dropbox from Mac. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So deleting Dropbox application from Mac as well as Windows is the same thing. You just have to go to the settings and do the following things that I say you. So firstly, you just need to go to the search bar in the taskbar and search for Dropbox. And when you type Dropbox and search for the Dropbox application will be shown to you, and on the right hand side there will be list of things. So you just have to click on the bottom that says uninstall. So you just have to click on it and it will redirect you to the settings and install app section. And when you are inside the install app section, you just have to click on the search bar once more and type Dropbox and press enter in the keyboard, and the Dropbox will be shown to you. And on the right hand side of the Dropbox text, you just have to click on that three dot icon that is shown. Just click on that three dot icon and a pop-up box will appear, and there will be two different options, that is modify and uninstall. And in order to delete Dropbox, you just have to click on the uninstall button and you will be able to delete Dropbox. So this is how you can easily remove Dropbox from Mac. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.